Today's word is ephemeral. It is an adjective. It means lasting for a very short time, something that exists or stays for only a brief moment before disappearing completely. Similar words include fleeting, short-lived, temporary. The beautiful colors of a sunset are ephemeral. A bubble has an ephemeral life before it pops. The joy of eating an ice cream cone is often ephemeral.
Look at those pretty frost patterns on the window, but they are already melting.
Yes, their beauty is quite ephemeral because the sun is coming out.
Emma uses ephemeral to describe how the frost will only be there for a few moments before it disappears. Think of things that don't last long, like a shooting star or a soap bubble. The word sounds fancy, but it just means quick to vanish. Can you name something you have seen today that was ephemeral?